Kinumpirma ni Ellis Joson na hiwalay na sila ng tatay ng anak niyang si Feliz na si Makoy De Leon at mutual decision daw ito. 2:00 ng madaling araw kanina, Hulyo 25, nang ibinalita ni Ellis ang open letter sa kanyang Instagram account. Kalakip niyan ang video na tumutugtog ng gitara si Makoy sa awiting You Are My Sunshine bilang background music kasama ang mga masasayang araw nila kasama ang anak na si Feliz. Matagal nang haka-haka na hindi na nagkakasundo ang Maclise pero walang nagsasalita sa dalawa. Pero ang sit-sit ng aming source dati ay hirap na si Ellis na ipaglaban si Makoy sa pamilya niya dahil hindi raw pabor at isa ito sa dahilan kung bakit lagi silang nagkakaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan ng aktor. May lumabas pang balita na nakiusap dati si Makoy na huwag muna siyang patayin sa FPJ's Batang Quiapo dahil kailangan niya ng trabaho na sumakto naman dahil nagustuhan siya ni Coco Martin bilang director-producer dahil hindi pasaway sa set at magaling makisama. Sa open letter ni Ellis ay inamin niyang sinubukan nila ni Makoy na ayusin ang kanilang hindi pinagkakasunduan pero hindi nagtagumpay. Kaya tinuldukan na nila ang mahigit 5 taon nilang pagsasama. Narito ang buong post ni Ellis. Ang pinakamalaking pangarap ko sa buhay ay palaging nasa pagtatayo ng isang pamilya na kung saan ko maaaring tawagan na aking sariling pamilya. A home. That dream shaped us. It grounded us. And for all the beautiful 5 years and more that we were together, we held on to that dream with everything we had. We made that promise to love, to fight, to stay. And truthfully, we both tried. We both held on for as long as we could. But now, we're learning to let go. Together, we're releasing that dream so we can finally allow a new kind of peace, growth, and healing to enter. And letting go doesn't mean we failed, because what we had was real, and it gave us the greatest gift, our Feliz. There are moments when she wraps her arms around us and says, "My family belongs to me." And she will always be right. No matter how life changes, we will always belong to her. Her mommy, her daddy, her family. That will never ever change. We're sharing this to honor what was, to give space for healing, for both of us, and for the lives we're choosing from here on. No need for speculations, no assumptions. This wasn't easy for either of us. We simply ask for kindness and respect as this story, and how it's remembered, may one day shape what our daughter believes about love, family, and letting go. Thank you for holding space for our story. This is us, stepping into a new chapter with love, respect, and no regrets. Makoy and Ellis. Trending kaagad ang post na ito ni Ellis na umani ng samut-saring komento mula sa mga netizens na ang karamihan ay sobrang nalungkot sa balitang ito dahil sobrang mahal ng Maclise ang isa't isa, pero siguro kailangan muna nilang huminga at sana pagdating ng tamang panahon, sila pa rin sa dulo.
I love you, how much I love you.